Finding the best screen recorder for your needs can be tough because there are so many choices. That's why we've created this video comparing the top 5 screen recording software. OBS Studio is an open-source and free screen recording software for Windows and Mac OS that's used by millions to record game clips, video calls, and more. It has the most comprehensive list of features that makes it a perfect choice for both beginners and experts. It's open source and free to use with no hidden fees or watermarks. While it's not primarily a screen recording software, it does offer robust tools for capturing and editing videos from your screen. Filmora Go's screen recording feature allows you to record your desktop, webcam, microphone, and other sources in full resolution without watermark. If you're looking for an easy-to-use all-in-one solution, Camtasia is a great choice. If you're looking for a free and open-source option, OBS Studio or Sherix might be a better fit. And if you're looking for a more specialized tool for video editing, Filmora Go could be worth considering. No matter which software you choose, make sure to try out a few different options and compare their features and pricing before making a decision. You can also add various overlays, annotations, and other elements to your recordings. Thank you for watching, and good luck finding the perfect screen recording software for your needs. The software also offers a wide range of filters and effects that you can apply to your screen recordings to enhance them. Filmora Go is available for free, but if you want to access all of its features, you need to upgrade to a paid plan, which starts at $999 per month. It's great for beginners and casual users who want to record their screen without any hassle. It is developed and maintained by a team of programmers and has a large community of users and developers who constantly improve and update it. Sherix offers a wide range of features, including the ability to record your screen in full resolution without watermark, and supports various output formats including MP4, AVI, MKV, and others. You can also set up multiple scenes with different audio and video sources, such as a webcam, microphone, display capture, and more. The software also lets you apply real-time audio and video effects, adjust system sound and microphone levels, and use hotkeys for convenient screen recording. Sherix is completely free, but it is not as user-friendly as some of the other options on this list. It has a steep learning curve and may not be suitable for beginners. Screencast lets you record your screen in full resolution without watermark and supports various output formats including MP4, AVI, MKV, and others. You can also set up multiple scenes with different audio and video sources, such as a webcam, microphone, display capture, and more. The software also lets you apply real-time audio and video effects, adjust system sound and microphone levels, and use hotkeys for convenient screen recording. It allows you to record your screen in full resolution without watermark and supports various output formats including MP4, AVI, MKV, and others. You can also set up multiple scenes with different audio and video sources, such as a webcam, microphone, display capture, and more. The software also lets you apply real-time audio and video effects, adjust system sound and microphone levels, and use hotkeys for convenient screen recording. OBS Studio is completely free, but if you want to remove the watermark and get access to high-priority support, you have to pay $12 for a license. We will take a look at the features and pricing of each one, and then we see which one is right for you based on your particular situation. We start with the most popular and well-rounded option and work our way down to the more specialized ones. No, OBS Studio. No, to Camtasia. Camtasia is a great all-in-one screen recording software that's easy to use and packed with useful features. It is available for Windows and Mac OS and offers a free trial, but the software costs $249 to purchase a perpetual license. This means that you'll have to pay a one-time fee to use the software forever. Camtasia is designed to help you record and edit your screen with ease. With its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can add text, images, shapes, and other elements to your recordings. You can also use the software's built-in effects library to apply transitions, animations, and other visual effects. Camtasia also offers a wide range of audio tools, allowing you to record your microphone, webcam, and system audio, as well as add music and sound effects from its library. The software also integrates with TechSmith's cloud storage platform, which allows you to share and collaborate with others in real time. No, 3. Screencast. Screencast is an easy-to-use screen recording software that's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. No, for Filmorigo. Filmorigo is a versatile video editing software that's available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. No. 5. Sharix. Sharix is a free and open-source screen recording software for Windows only that's great for advanced users. In conclusion, the best screen recording software for you will depend on your particular situation and requirements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.